as I put my tools and stuff up at the end of the day, and my GoPro camera, which I record all this stuff, recharges before I go moving all the other stuff, I wanted to show some of the shavings from... Also, this is another interesting thing. While I'm digging, not while I'm doing that, but while I was digging, you might notice a DVD player beside me. That DVD player, I listen to audio commentaries for movies. And lately I've been listening to the director's... First I listened to the entire director's commentary for the Fellowship of the Ring Extended Edition, the first disc, the first half of the movie. I listened to the entire Peter Jackson, Fran Walsh, and the other lady. And Philippa Boyens, I think, yeah. So then I started listening to the concept people, the people who... The guy who talks like this, and there was incredible metal, and so on and so on and so on. But Richard Taylor, that's his name. And I have these shavings of well pipe here, because, you know, I cut stuff at a rather severe angle for the Switch. And I was looking at this piece in particular, and I have a couple that are kind of like that. But I just look at this and I think, you know, if I was a skilled craftsperson, and I had actually theorized when I was younger making a nice set of gauntlets in the style of the Witch King of Agmar or Sauron with aluminum cans. But this is just the authentic rust of well pipe just looks more the part. So one day in my gift shop you can buy hopefully gauntlets, medieval looking gauntlets out of tubular rail. Yeah, so, no, don't turn the camera off. So, that's more of what was happening on March 11th, which I'm sure if some people watch this and realize this is what I was doing on March 11th, whew, they'd be so disappointed with my life choices. But, that is a joke that very few people will get, and the people who get it probably won't laugh. But anyway, there it is. One last day of the tree standing there, as we prepare for... Oh, another Lord of the Rings reference. We have work to do. Trees are strong, my lord. Their roots go deep. Rip them all down. I need to do that with slightly better camera work, better audio quality before we tear that tree down. I need to also get... I don't have any robes, though. I don't have any robes. I do have a very long tweetsy fleece. Alright.